Hello and welcome. In this video, we will look at how underpainting with complementary colors can add color depth in your artwork. This is a very useful technique and today we'll see how to use it in detail. I start with 3 circles and filling them with the 3 primary colors, red, blue and yellow. I also drew 3 more circles next to them where I will be filling the complementary colors. The complementary color for the red is green and therefore I am filling the circle next to red with the green. I have used different pencil pressures while filling the circle to create a gradient look. Similarly, I filled the circle next to blue with orange, which is the complementary color to blue. While filling the primary colors, I have used the shading technique to give it a spherical look. Though I just used a single pencil in every primary colored sphere. I have filled the third sphere with purple, which is complementary color for yellow. To see the effect underpainting brings, I will now start to fill the first circle with red over the underlying green color. Pay attention to the shading on the underlying green color and try to use the same technique and shading effect with the red color to give it a nice spherical look. You can clearly see the difference between the pure red sphere on the left and the same red with an underlying complementary color. This is very useful when you have to show something like a vibrant sky or give the color some depth. I am now filling the blue over orange. To begin, I will keep a very light hand and then gradually increase pressure where you need darker shades. I have used just 2 color pencils here to bring this excellent color depth. I have also used a colorless blender to give it a nice shading effect. It is important to know this technique to achieve this look and color depth. We shall now look at the same technique, but this time without using a gradient fill. So I have made 3 boxes and filled them well with the 3 primary colors. I then picked out the pencils for the complementary colors, which would be green for the red, orange for blue and purple for yellow. I lay down a light layer of the complementary color for underpainting, after which I start to put the layers of primary color on top. I wanted to compare the difference between the original color and the colors with underpainting. You may not see a lot of difference between the primary color by itself and the one with underpainting, because The the layer of the underpainting is pretty light. However, when you use this technique in a composition, it helps to bring a depth and realism to your art. It is important to know the result you are trying to achieve and then accordingly decide if you need to fill solid or a gradient. It's also good to give a metallic look. Hope you like this video and will use the technique in one of your artwork. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel to stay connected. Bye for now.